Yeah, but yeah, during the time, my friend Dustin and your mommy in the kitchen, we just wanna do something meaningful and spend a little bit time with the piano.
We just want to take our mind off the food.
Take our mind off the food.
Yeah, like take my mind off food is doing something to distract myself from eating.
From eating, yeah.
Yes, and food in general. So we're playing the piano to take our minds off of eating and food.
So would you like to play some for me so I can sing along with that?
Yeah, sure. I'll play the melody
and you go along.
Yeah.
I go along with you though. Em là ai vừa đâu bước đến nơi đây dịu dàng chân phương. Em tựa như ánh nắng ban mai ngọt ngào trong xương. Cause I don't know the song. Ngắm em thật lâu, con tim anh yếu mềm, đắm say từ phút đó, từng mơ ước yêu thêm.
Getting something off one's mind. Let's say you're too concentrated on the piano or something, or eating. Let's say you need something to distract you from it, so you could take a break from it. So if I play the piano too much, and I need to get it out of my head for a while, I would probably sit down and read a nice, calm book or sing a song.
So what's next?
Okay, so we need to grab this dry turnip here.
What is this?
So it's a dry turnip.
Okay.
So they shred them really thin as well.
Okay, so we already, those pre-shredded.
Mm-hmm. They're pre-shredded and I soak them into the water.
The verb of shredding, so we have slice and we have cut, but shred is to make things into very small pieces, so smaller pieces. So the thing is, we have the meat already cut up, but if we were to shred it, we make it into smaller pieces.